Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change username on Facebook Easy Guide. For us to be able to begin, just open the Facebook app onto your device. Then right after, click onto your profile icon here onto the bottom part. Now scroll down until you find in settings and privacy, click onto that so that you could click on settings. Here on settings, you should be able to see the account centers. Click on see more in account centers. Right after, click onto the profiles here onto the upper part and choose your Facebook account. Right after, there is a username icon in here. So as you can see, there should be an option for you to edit the username once you click onto that. So type in the username that you want to use. So also note that changing your username will also change your Facebook profile URL at facebook.com/your username. So right after you have completed adding your username with the available one, just click onto done and click on done here onto the bottom part to proceed. And that is just how to change username on Facebook Easy Guide. If you think that has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.